Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantongwa Khumalo. Here's how to handle maintenance issues with your landlord. Now, you're probably quite excited. You've signed your lease agreement, moved into your new apartment, but a few months down the line, you realize that perhaps your landlord didn't address some of the maintenance issues in the apartment. So what do? The first thing is know your rights. If you don't know where to start, read the Rental Housing Act. It will give you a good basis to understanding what you're responsible for and what your landlord is responsible for. Secondly, put everything in writing. If you've picked up any maintenance issues that are the landlord's responsibility, make sure that you send a detailed list letting them know what needs to be fixed. Thirdly, and this is quite an important one, do not withhold your rent. As tempting as it might be to withhold rent, because you're obviously quite frustrated, you want to make sure that you continue paying your rental while raising your concerns with your landlord. And lastly, lodge a complaint. So if you've communicated with them time and time again and they still haven't fixed the issues with the property in 30 or more days, then make sure that you lodge a complaint with the Rental Housing Tribunal. For more tips and advice on all things property, visit our blog on www.builders.co.za.